Welcome to Fix Your Apps, where we make tech simple for everyone. Today, we're diving into how to turn off the launch camera on Android. If you find our tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more straightforward tech guides. Let's get started with step by step. Step 1. First, grab your phone and open the Settings app. Step 2. Next, scroll down through the Settings menu until you find the Always on Display and Lock Screen option. Tap on this to open it. Step 3. Now, scroll down again and look for the Launch Camera option. It might be labeled differently depending on your device, but it should be something similar. Step 4. Finally, tap the toggle switch next to the Launch Camera option to turn it off. This will disable the feature, preventing the camera from launching when you press the power button twice or perform other quick gestures. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the launch camera feature on your Android device. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.